Email marketing is the single most profitable channel in digital marketing, yet most businesses treat it like an afterthought, blasting out promotions and hoping for the best. Simple changes could skyrocket your open rates, engagement, and sales. Imagine sending an email and immediately seeing a flood of clicks, replies, and purchases. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're making that dream a reality. I'm revealing 10 expert-backed strategies to transform your email campaigns so that every email you send feels personal, compelling, and impossible to ignore. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to turn your email list into a money-making machine. First, let's talk about personalization, a concept Ian Brody champions in his book Email Persuasion. Most emails fail because they feel like mass communication rather than a direct message. Brody emphasizes that the most successful email campaigns feel like one-on-one conversations. Engagement skyrockets when you address someone by name, reference their past behavior, and craft messages tailored to their interests. It's the difference between a generic flyer in the mail and a handwritten letter. People respond to what feels personal, so segment your list and customize accordingly. Even the most personalized email won't work if it lacks focus. Chad S. White, author of Email Marketing Rules, warns against cramming too many objects into a single message. He's right. Emails that try to promote 3 different products, invite users to a webinar, and ask for feedback all at once overwhelm the reader. White advises that every email should have a clear goal and a compelling call to action. If your email is meant to drive sales, don't dilute it with unnecessary links. Clarity wins every time. Once you've personalized your emails and ensured each has a defined goal, the next step is understanding who you're sending them to. An email marketing consultant, Jordy Van Ryn, explains that list segmentation is the difference between shouting into a crowd and having a meaningful conversation. You will get ignored if you send the same message to your entire list. Instead, segment your audience based on behavior, what they clicked on, what they purchased, and how often they engage. A first-time customer and a loyal customer shouldn't get the same email. The more relevant your content, the higher your chances of conversion. Of course, even a well-segmented email needs to be opened to be effective. This is where subject lines play a crucial role. Cav Pei, author of Holistic Email Marketing, calls subject lines the gatekeepers of email success. If your subject line doesn't grab attention, nothing else matters. The best subject lines are short, intriguing, and promise value. They should spark curiosity and urgency, making the recipient want to click. Instead of saying, "New arrivals in stock," try, "Fire emoji, limited stock, get yours before it's gone." A/B testing different subject lines can also reveal what resonates best with your audience. Once your emails are being opened, the next challenge is keeping subscribers engaged long-term. Delaquist, a veteran email marketer, believes that most brands don't email enough. Many businesses worry about annoying their customers, but the truth is that inconsistency is a bigger problem. If people forget about you, they won't open your emails when you finally do reach out. The key is sending emails regularly while ensuring they provide real value. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, set a schedule and stick to it. Every email should serve a purpose, whether it's educating, entertaining, or selling. Beyond consistency, your email structure is crucial. Tim Watson, an expert in customer journey optimization, explains that strategic email sequences significantly boost conversions. Instead of sending one-off emails, think in flows, automated sequences that nurture leads and recover lost sales. A new subscriber shouldn't just get a welcome email and be forgotten. They should enter a nurture sequence that builds trust and gradually leads to a purchase. Likewise, an abandoned cart email shouldn't do more than just remind. It should create urgency and offer an incentive like a discount or free shipping. With Omnisend's abandoned cart automation, you can send behavior-triggered emails that remind customers of their forgotten items. Showcase dynamic product recommendations and escalate urgency with follow-ups. Instead of manually tracking abandoned carts, Omnisend automates everything, ensuring no potential sale slips away. But none of this works if your emails look terrible. Justine Jordan, an expert in email design, stresses that poor design kills conversions. If an email is cluttered and hard to read or not mobile-friendly, people will delete it instantly. The best emails are clean, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Your buttons should stand out, your text should be readable, and your layout must adapt to any device. The good news? There's an easy fix. Instead of struggling with email design, Omnisend's email builder and pre-designed templates make it effortless to create high-converting emails. Their drag-and-drop editor ensures your emails are professional, responsive, and optimized for every screen. No coding or design skills required. Plus, you can A/B test different layouts to see what works best for your audience. Another way to make emails more engaging is by incorporating video content, a strategy Lisa S. Jones, CEO of iMail Inc., champions. Video increases retention and click-through rates because it delivers information quickly and memorably. Instead of a long text explaining your new product, a short embedded video demo can make a much more significant impact. Even GIFs can add dynamic elements that make emails stand out. Data is also a game changer. Andrew Bielecki, co-founder of Klaviyo, believes that leveraging customer data is what separates great email marketing from mediocre campaigns. Generic messaging leads to lower engagement and higher unsubscribes. Instead, use analytics to track customer behavior, what they browse, buy, and ignore, and tailor your emails accordingly. Customers who frequently buy running gear should receive emails about running shoes and fitness apparel, not random promotions. Smart data usage ensures your emails feel relevant rather than spammy. Finally, even with all these strategies in place, your emails need to respect the reader's time. A sales strategist, Jill Conraff, emphasizes that busy professionals won't read long-winded emails. If your email doesn't get to the point fast, it won't get read at all. Conraff advises keeping emails concise, value-packed, and scannable. This means short paragraphs, bullet points when needed, and a clear message up front. Instead of opening with a lengthy introduction, hook the reader immediately. State the benefit, make an offer, or ask an engaging question. When all these elements come together, email marketing becomes a powerful sales engine rather than a neglected tactic. Personalization makes emails feel human. Clarity ensures your message is understood. Segmentation delivers relevance. Subject lines increase open rates, while a good design keeps people reading. Consistency builds trust, sequences guide customers towards conversion, and video enhances engagement. Data-driven insights make your messaging smarter, and brevity keeps your audience interested. If your emails aren't performing well, the problem isn't email marketing, it's how you use it. Implement these expert-backed strategies and you'll see a dramatic difference in your open rates, engagement, and ultimately, sales. The inbox isn't just for communication, it's your most powerful tool for growth. Use it wisely.